Welcome to Best Sellers Market, your go-to channel for the hottest and most popular products across all categories. Today we're diving into the world of welding tools, showcasing the best-selling products on Amazon that have captivated professionals and hobbyists alike. These top picks are not only highly rated, but also trusted by users for their quality, durability, and performance. So, without delay, let's get started and take a look at the best-selling welding tools on Amazon. Let's jump in and explore these must-have welding tools that are making waves in the market. Here we are at number 5 in our countdown of the best-selling welding tools on Amazon, and it's the Wucgea Fire Blanket for home and kitchen. This remarkable product is a must-have for every household and workspace. Why? Let's dive into the details. Imagine the peace of mind that comes from knowing you have an immediate heat shield at your disposal. Made from 100% high-quality fiberglass, this fire blanket is not only sturdy but incredibly efficient, isolating high temperatures up to a scorching 1,076 degrees Fahrenheit, or 580 degrees Celsius. No more worrying about those unpredictable kitchen flames or accidental sparks in the welding bay. Using the Wucgea Fire Blanket couldn't be simpler. There's no need for complicated training or messy cleanups. Just pull it down, spread it wide, and place it over the fire. Give it a few moments to smother the flames and voila, you're safe and sound. Turn off any heat sources and let the blanket do its job. It's a quick, clean, and effective solution that leaves no residue or damage to your belongings. This heavy-duty, flame-retardant blanket is not just for kitchens. It's perfect for schools, offices, garages, grills, and even in your car or warehouse. It's designed to meet N1869, 1997 standards, making it suitable for Class F fires involving cooking oils and fats. It's a versatile safety tool that can handle various fire risks, especially in areas where clothing fires are a potential hazard, like manufacturing plants and fabrication shops. What's more, the Wucgea Fire Blanket makes a thoughtful gift. Packaged in sets of 4, it's perfect for anyone who values safety. Whether it's for camping trips or home safety, it's an excellent way to promote a cautious way of living. And here's a bonus. Unlike traditional fire extinguishers, this blanket never expires. No need for replacements, ever. With the Wucgea Fire Blanket, safety is just a pull away. It's an essential addition to your emergency preparedness kit, ensuring that you're always ready to tackle unexpected flames without the mess or fuss of conventional fire extinguishers. Stay safe, stay prepared, and remember, a fire blanket never expires, making it a reliable, lifelong guardian against fire hazards. Now let's talk about number 4 in our top 5 best-selling welding tools on Amazon. It's the YESWELDER True Color Solar-Powered Auto Darkening Welding Helmet. This isn't just any welding helmet. It's a game-changer for TIG, MIG, and ARC welders alike. First off, let's discuss the visual clarity this helmet provides. With a viewing size of 3.64 by 1.67 inches, it offers a wide, unobstructed view of your work. And thanks to its advanced True Color technology, you get a crystal-clear, true-to-life view that reduces eye strain and enhances precision. It's rated 1111 for optical clarity, the highest standard, ensuring that what you see is exactly what it is, with no distortions. The YESWELDER helmet is equipped with 2 premium sensors, allowing it to switch from light to dark in an astonishing 1/30,000th of a second. That's faster than the blink of an eye. This rapid response not only improves safety, but also enhances your workflow, letting you work more efficiently without constant adjustments. Now let's talk about comfort. Welding for extended periods can be tough, but this helmet makes it easier with its superior pivot-style headgear. It's designed to distribute weight evenly, reducing neck strain and ensuring a snug fit. This is comfort redefined, allowing you to focus on your craft without distractions. What about the cheater lens or magnifying lens? Yes, this helmet is compatible with those too, catering to welders who need a little extra visual assistance. Whether you're doing intricate work or just prefer a closer view, this helmet adapts to your needs. Battery life is another standout feature. With increased battery longevity, you can count on the YESWELDER helmet to keep up with your toughest jobs without frequent battery changes. It's a blend of efficiency and reliability that keeps you welding longer and better. In summary, the YESWELDER True Color Solar-Powered Auto Darkening Welding Helmet isn't just a tool, it's an investment in quality, safety, and comfort. It's designed to meet the rigorous demands of professional welders, ensuring every project is executed with precision and ease. A true companion in your welding adventures, making your work not only easier but also safer and more enjoyable. Elevate your welding experience with the YESWELDER helmet, where innovation meets excellence. Coming in at number 3 in our top 5 best-selling welding tools on Amazon is the 4-gauge 4 AWG 10 feet black plus 10 feet red welding battery, pure copper flexible cable wire by Windy Nation. This isn't just a cable, it's a powerhouse of flexibility and reliability, perfect for a multitude of applications. Let's delve into the details. This cable wire is available in a range of sizes, from 8-gauge to 4/0 gauge. Whether you're working on a car, inverter, RV, or solar project, this cable has got you covered. The flexibility to choose your gauge size, length, and insulation color makes it incredibly versatile, adapting to your specific needs. The Windy Nation Power Flex cable is constructed from fully annealed pure copper, adhering to ASTM standards. What does that mean for you? It means superior conductivity and durability. Pure copper ensures maximum electrical efficiency, while the high copper strand count offers unparalleled flexibility. This cable bends and twists with ease, accommodating the tightest of spaces without compromising performance. But there's more. The EPDM insulation jacket is not just tough, it's solvent-resistant, ensuring that the cable remains protected in harsh environments. Rated up to 600 volts and capable of withstanding temperatures from -50°C to +105°C, -58°F to +221°F. This cable is built to endure the most demanding conditions. Whether you're dealing with extreme cold or intense heat, it maintains its integrity, making it a reliable choice for both indoor and outdoor projects. Safety and compliance are top priorities, and this cable meets SAE J1127 standards, ensuring it's up to par with industry expectations. Additionally, it's IEC and RoHS compliant, guaranteeing that you're using a product that's both safe and environmentally friendly. What sets this cable apart is its attention to detail. Windy Nation provides a detailed specification chart in the photo gallery, giving you all the technical information you need: amperage, voltage, stranding, insulation, and copper thickness. Every aspect is meticulously documented, so you can be confident in your purchase. In summary, the 4-gauge 4 AWG 10 feet black plus 10 feet red welding battery, pure copper flexible cable wire by Windy Nation is a testament to quality and performance. Its flexibility, durability, and compliance with stringent standards make it an essential tool for any serious welder or DIY enthusiast. Elevate your projects with a cable that promises efficiency, safety, and reliability. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling welding tools on Amazon? Well, don't let your excitement fizzle out. Give that like button a zap, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a spark of our latest videos. Next up, number 2 in our countdown of the best-selling welding tools on Amazon, the AWG Plastic Welder Kit. This kit is a game-changer, designed to handle a wide array of plastic repairs with unmatched ease and efficiency. First and foremost, the AWG Plastic Welder is incredibly versatile. It repairs at least 98% of the plastics on the market. Whether you're fixing a bumper, dashboard, lamp holder, plastic ring, radiator, spoiler, handles, headlights, plastic wings, or any car and motorcycle plastic device, this kit has you covered. Now let's talk about the rapid heating feature. Simply select the correct staple, insert it into the brass holder, and press the power button. In just 1-2 seconds, it heats up quickly, allowing the staple to melt slowly into the plastic parts. This prevents the staple from penetrating through the plastic board, ensuring a smooth and secure repair. Plus, there's a convenient light on the front of the machine, making operations safer and more precise even in dimly lit areas. Quality is paramount with the AWG Plastic Welder. The stainless steel staples won't rust, and you get 6 types of staples to meet all your repair needs. The wavy staple design is particularly impressive, as it maximizes the load and restores your broken parts to extend their service life. After repairing, these staples are strong enough to withstand shock and twist, ensuring a durable and lasting fix. Ease of use is a standout feature. The ergonomic design fits comfortably in your palm, and the rubber handle provides a comfortable grip, so you won't feel fatigued even during prolonged use. Quick and easy operation means you spend less time fussing and more time getting the job done. This kit is not only effective but also portable. It comes with a complete set of tools: a plastic welder, pliers, a utility knife, and a carry case. It includes 150 flat staples of 0.6 mm, 150 flat staples of 0.8 mm, 200 wave staples of 0.6 mm, 300 wave staples of 0.8 mm, 100 inside corner staples of 0.6 mm, and 100 outside corner staples of 0.8 mm. Everything you need is neatly packed in a portable toolbox, making it easy to transport and store. In summary, the AWG Plastic Welder Kit is a comprehensive, high-quality solution for all your plastic repair needs. Its rapid heating, reliable quality, ergonomic design, and portability make it an indispensable tool for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Elevate your repair game with a tool that promises efficiency, durability, and ease of use. The AWG Plastic Welder, where precision meets power. Crowning our list at number 1 is the upgraded 220W Plastic Welder, a powerhouse of versatility and performance. This 2-in-1 plastic welding kit is not just a tool, it's a complete solution for all your plastic repair needs. First up, let's talk power. With a robust 220 watts, this plastic welding machine outshines competitors with its rapid heating capabilities. Plug it into any standard 110V outlet, and watch it heat up faster than other welding guns on the market. The intense heat seamlessly embeds staples or plastic rods into your repairs without damaging the car or plastic surface. And safety is paramount. An overheating protection device ensures you work securely and efficiently. But that's just the beginning. This upgraded kit comes loaded with an impressive array of accessories. You'll find 1,000 hot staples of 6 different types and 100 plastic welding rods in various materials like ABS, PP, PE, and more. These versatile rods are perfect for a wide range of repairs, from car bumpers and motorcycle parts to kayaks and children's toys. The included patch net enhances your repairs, allowing for a smooth, professional finish. Remember to clean the surface with a sponge before and after applying the repair for the best results. The multi-purpose nature of this welder makes it an indispensable tool for any DIY enthusiast or professional. Repair car dashboards, kayaks, canoes, and even recycling bins with ease. Whether you're fixing ABS, PP, TPO, or TPE plastics, this kit has the flexibility to handle it all. The heat technology ensures a strong bond, making your repairs durable and long-lasting. Comfort is key with the humanized design of this plastic welder. The non-slip rubber handle ensures a comfortable grip, even during extended use, and the LED headlamp provides excellent visibility in dim conditions. Operating this tool is straightforward, turning you into a pro at repairing various plastic materials with minimal effort, and the package is brimming with value. Included are 1,002 hot staples, 100 plastic rods, 5 stainless steel meshes, 5 sheets of aluminum foil paper, 2 sponges, a plier, and 2 iron smoothing tips. Everything you need to tackle your plastic repair projects is right here. Plus, if you encounter any issues, the customer service team is ready to assist with immediate replacements or refunds. In summary, the upgraded 220W plastic welder is more than just a top performer. It's a comprehensive kit designed to handle nearly every plastic repair task with ease. Its rapid heating, extensive accessory set, and user-friendly design make it our number 1 pick. Elevate your repair game and experience the efficiency and reliability of this outstanding welding tool. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the best-selling welding tools on Amazon. To keep up with all the top sellers, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the fantastic products we covered today. Thanks for watching and see you next time.